Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so ad code works reliably. Open Unity, enable services, and link your project ID. This ensures ad settings sync. Next, add the Unity Ads package via Package Manager or the Unity Monetization SDK so you have the runtime APIs. Once done, register the app in the Unity dashboard and copy the platform game ID into your project settings. Make sure to configure Android and iOS separately to avoid runtime errors. Now you implement placements and lifecycle code so ads appear at the right times. First, define placements for rewarded, interstitial, and banner in the dashboard and match those ID and code. Then initialize the SDK as early as possible, typically in an awake or startup manager, so availability checks work. After initialization, request, load, ads, attach event callbacks for loaded, failed, and closed states, and only show ads when ready to ensure smooth gameplay transitions and good UX. Finish by validating behavior, implementing reward logic, and optimizing monetization. You should test in test mode on real devices, check logs for errors, and confirm reward grant paths are atomic. Prefer server-side verification when possible. Once validated, enable live ads, configure frequency caps and max session placements, and monitor eCPM and fill rates in the dashboard. If ads aren't serving, check game ID, placement ID, initialization order, and network permissions as your primary troubleshooting tip to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.